Hey guys, thank you for watching. For today's video, I'm gonna show you how to cook your next favorite meal. I'm gonna make some Parmesan and garlic chicken wings. If you go back a few videos, you're gonna find my Meal Lime app review, and the recipe that I use to explain the features of that app is actually this recipe right here. So if you haven't downloaded, or if you haven't messed around with the Meal Lime, go ahead and check it out. It's a must-have. So first, I'm gonna get some ground thyme, some ground cumin, oregano, and some salt. I'm gonna mix them all up, and I'm gonna cover the chicken wings with that. I already defrosted these and washed them a little bit, and then I'm just draining the excess water from them right now. Then this is gonna be your favorite thing right here. I'm actually gonna use bacon fat to fry those chicken wings. Once the chicken wings are cooked, I'm gonna put them in some Parmesan cheese with some minced garlic. Okay, so that's gonna be the chicken wings. I'm gonna use the leftover bacon fat in the pan to cook this broccoli right here. It's the last of the bag, so I'm gonna cook that. And then just so for a side, as you'll notice on all my videos, I'm gonna do a salad. Okay, so some romaine lettuce, tomatoes. This time I'm gonna use cucumber, avocado, some bacon, and then this is the dressing that I use. Okay, and so yeah, let me show you how that goes. Okay, so it's done. It didn't take me that long to do. Like I said, they're real easy and they're super good. Just the smell, just the garlic smell and the Parmesan is really strong, really good. It's making my mouth, it's making my mouth water. So let's try them. Every time I cook chicken wings, I always worry that they're not gonna be cooked all the way. Because in the beginning when I first started cooking, I had that problem where I would start eating and I see it's pink, so I would have to throw them back on the pan, and it was super annoying. But I found that 5 to 7 minutes. It's perfect and medium heat, and so they always turn out cooked. I also cook them in the oven, but I'll save that for another recipe. But these are really good. It's perfectly seasoned. You can't go wrong with chicken wings. That with the broccoli and the salad, that's a keto meal right there. I know you're gonna love these chicken wings, so go ahead and make them. Let me know how they come out. Leave any comments or questions below, and please subscribe. See you guys on the next one. Bye.
Bye.